Thinking about moving to the UK? Here is everything you need to know to make it smooth and stress-free. Hi, I'm Laura Lee from movefromus2uk.com, where we help people move internationally with ease. Let's dive right in. Welcome to the podcast where we help you plan every detail of your relocation from the US to the UK, including some of the financial curveballs. In our last episode, we introduced council tax, and today let's dig a bit deeper. First, who gets discounts or exemptions? Here's the good news. There are legitimate ways to reduce your council tax bill. First, your single person discount. If you live alone, you get 25% off. Full-time students, you're exempt. And if your home is only occupied by students, there is no tax at all. Low-income households may qualify for council tax reductions, known as CTR. Disabilities. If your home has been adapted for a disabled resident, you could qualify for reduced band. Here is a tip. Always check your council's website for exact details and apply as early as possible. 2. What if you're not living there full-time? If your UK home is a secondary resident or temporarily unoccupied, if it's furnished but not your main home, you have a possible 10 to up to 50% discount. If it's empty and unfurnished, you could get a short-term exemption. And here's a tip. If you use it for short-term lengths, it could be taxed differently under business rates. Always notify the council upon move-in. 3. What happens if you just don't pay? Council tax is legally enforced, and late payments could trigger reminder letters, late fees, legal notices, a full year's tax due immediately, and in some serious cases, debt collection or even court action. And here's a tip. Avoid this by setting up a direct debit and notify the council of any changes in your situation right away. 4. Smart budget tips. Here's how to avoid council tax surprises. Ask your letting agent for your property's tax band before signing the lease. 2. You could use online tools to estimate monthly costs based on your postcard and band. 3. Opt for a 12-month payment plan if available. This will spread costs evenly. And 4. Include it in your relocation budget, right alongside your rent, groceries, and utilities. Are you planning right down to the penny? Use a budget app or spreadsheet and tag council tax as a fixed monthly cost. And 5. SDC's role in your transition. At SDC International Shipping, we don't just move boxes. We move lives. From coordinating temporary housing to connecting you with relocation partners who can help you register with your legal counsel, we take guesswork out of international transitions. We've guided hundreds of American families through this exact process, and we would love to help you too. Council tax isn't scary when you understand it, and with the right strategy, you'll stay ahead of the curve and the bills. For help planning your entire move, call us 888-909-3020 or request a free quote at our website, movefromusa2uk.com. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more moving tips, and visit movefromusa2uk.com for a free consultation.